ETQ has provided us with better visibility to make more timely decisions, not only in our safety and incidents issues, but also in our product, actually. So we have created a module called Pack Management, which allows us to evaluate our products and their applications throughout, throughout the world. Those products can be evaluated in 16 different ways, and then getting that data real time by the business can make decisions whether or not they want to continue using that product in its same formula, or maybe modifying the formula a little differently because of the ways it impacts the world environmentally or socially, or what the public perception could be of that product. So that alone, that module is one that allows us to make those real-time decisions within the business, and then actually adjust the way we make that product and distribute it out to our customers.
The quality data lake, the decision making, the data that we get out of ETQ, the decisions are more proactive. For example, we took the complaint module. We monitor our customer complaints. We average daily about 500, but we sell 500,000 units a day. So a lot of people think that's a lot. Well, what does that data tell us? Well, if I look at 500 complaints, that's just going to be, wow, how do you go through that to really data mine? We switched it. We took that data into the data lake and combined it with our sales data and said, how happy are our customers? And switched it to create what we call a satisfaction score. In that satisfaction score, I got a 99% rating. My customers really like the product. Now, what's that 1% that I can focus on, that I need to? That I can do by data mining with ETQ as the backbone. And so by switching how we think, using the data within ETQ differently causes us to be more agile. Understanding the supply chain allowed us to make some configuration changes based on good data that says we can actually speed up that process too, and have, so that, again, availability is always there at a high level and a good quality, and time to table has been shortened, so overall cost of goods has come down as well. Continuous improvement as a quality philosophy is what ETQ does best, in my opinion, because it allows us to look at incremental improvements along the way with data. Without data, we're just guessing.
So where our executives have a meeting and they look at all the quality records, or we actually using the data lake from ETQ database to build our dashboards, so which gives us more insights and easy analytics so that they can take an informative decision related to any field actions or any non-conformance, product recalls.
We are not immune to the supply chain challenges that everybody in the world has seen. And we've really had to ensure that the product that we receive from our suppliers meets our specifications. And a lot of the work with ETQ, inbound inspections, also our NCR modules and applications that we use have really helped us to validate the components that we're getting are fully functional and meet the specs that we've told our suppliers they need to meet. I think what we've been able to do is really empower the employees to make a difference in what we produce and ship to our customers, because it is all about the customer and our customer centricity. And if we don't take care of them when we see them, then you're going to have some leakage out into the field, and that does nothing but cause additional problems, increases the cost of quality. But ETQ's really kind of helped us to kind of globalize that. And since we are in 40 different global locations and all the states in North America, it's really helped us to kind of consolidate and centralize that ability to monitor quality, monitor issues, and also all the corrective actions that are in place.
So ETQ Reliance has helped us make better and more informed decisions, again, by giving us the full transparency and visibility of the information. So one way that we've also been able to manage that is in what fields are visible in the various phases in a workflow, for example. So we're giving our decision makers and our approvers the information that's pertinent to them. So by modifying some of the sections inside of the workflows so that only select fields are visible during the approval processes, we can ensure that the decision makers and the approvers in our processes are having the information they need to make the decisions quickly.